Welcome to the season along. I'm your host, Mikey, joined with my co-host this time, Marley Bird.
Hey, thanks, Mikey. I am joining the crochet crowd to make a knit temperature scarf. All right, Mikey, take it away.
Thanks so much, Marley. Now, what we have for you today is a season along of readdressing the problem with the temperature blankets. People are super excited at the end of December, January, but by the end of January, you people are already seeing jumping off the bandwagon. We're super excited in one moment, but then we don't complete in another.
Oh my gosh, losing my enthusiasm for a project could be the story of my entire crafter's life. I get excited about something, like super excited. I get the yarn, I get the needles, I get the hook, I get the project bag. I need something fast, something quick, something that is going to give me some instant gratification and keep my interest.
Yeah, you know that's right. So if we have all these obstacles, maybe we need to peel back the concept and make it more doable and relevant for you as a person. So Marley, what is the biggest problem with writing a pattern for a temperature blanket?
You'll write the pattern just like you do any other pattern with some basic instructions. The information though, as far as the measurements, the yarn, the materials, that all will change because it all depends on the yarn you choose, the hook you choose, the needle you choose.
So if we don't know how much yarn to tell you to get, it's very difficult to write a pattern. So this is where it becomes customizable. And how many colors can we suggest to use? As many as you want.
Mother Nature and Jack Frost, whew, they are some seriously temperamental people.
We have broken down 2 examples of maybe something that you can think about and then also given you a blank sheet. So I gave you an example of Nova Scotian weather in Celsius and then also Phoenix, Arizona. I decided to go hot because I want to prove to you that you can still have an amazing blanket. And the difference is that the temperature scale that you choose is relevant for you.
I am originally from Denver, Colorado, and there we like to say that Mother Nature has some major mood swings. And yeah, being random is hard. I struggle with it all the time. You can use any color combination you want, and you can make the increments of the color changes as large or as small as you want to really get a good variety.
So what we're going to suggest for you is to use 110 days. Why that specific number? That will take you from September 1st all the way to December 20th. That means that you'll be able to finish your blanket or your scarf by the end of the season. When you're looking for the past year, you want to look at September 1st to December 20th and look where the temperatures fall day by day. And what you need to do is to determine how much of a scale that you would like to do.
My scarf, everybody, I chose to use the Karen Colorama Ogos for my scarf. There are a lot of colors in this scarf. There are 9 to be precise. But if I wanted more colors, I could have had more colors. And instead of buying full skeins of all of these individual colors, I decided to get a yarn that had colors already carefully curated and put together. You will have enough leftover yarn to make more scarves. I love this project.
So I decided to go for the chevron concept. It keeps me more mentally interested. So you can work in real time if you would like to, but just keep in mind if you do that, sometimes the colors will stay constant for a few days. So Marley, why don't you close us off?
Are you ready to join in the fun? Make sure you use hashtag temperature blanket or hashtag the crochet crowd or hashtag Marley Bird. Mikey, any chance you're gonna make a knit scarf? This would be a good little first project. You could absolutely do this. I mean, come to the dark side, Mikey.
Come to the dark side.
You may make a knitter out of me at the end of the day. Don't tell anybody though, because then they'll ask me to teach.
There's an outtake for you. Wah, wah, wah.